we're gonna talk about the Brett Sunglasses partnership with Head-On Helmet. Tama ba? Most classic helmet, half-face lang siya.
Well, yung pinaka-old school helmets talaga. I mean, we're talking about, panahon ni, sabihin na natin, Mark Nelson. Yung mga ganyan. Yung mga matanda na talaga. O yun, yung mga panahon nila,
Okay.
parang skull cap lang eh. Parang dito lang.
Oo.
Wala nga dito sa side.
Wala.
nga
Tapos,
dito
so
lang.
nag-evolve siya, nagkaroon ng sa cheek,
Oh,
and then now, meron na sa
full face.
full face na,
Full face.
which is the safest.
Oh, pinaka-safe talaga yung full
Pinaka-
face.
Okay. But si Head-On, they have full face, but most of their helmets are half-face one.
They have open face and full face. Siyempre, kasi pag classic bike, minsan,
Gusto mo kita yung mukha eh.
kasi pogi points yun, di ba?
Oo.
And you're not naman going super fast. So, okay lang. Pero ako, preferred ko pa rin yung full face. Always ako, preferred ko pa rin yung full face. But, there's some people, yung open face, okay na yun.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about the sunglasses. Bakit may sunglasses?
Siyempre, when you're moving, naka-helmet ka, you're moving,
Oo.
you need the protection for your eyes.
Pero may visor na tayo. Pero kung gusto mo mas kita yung face mo, we lift the visor up and then we use the sunglasses. When you open the box, ganito siya. It's a limited time partnership with Head-On. And then when you open it, ganda ng box.
Ang laki ng box.
Anong meron sa loob? So we have the frame. Gino is wearing the frame. Wala na dito. And we have 3 lenses.
Yes.
So these are the lenses. Ay, meron pa palang isa. Sino yung ibang lens?
Yeah.
They're supposed to be displayed. So ganito yung itsura ng lenses niya. Merong for rainy and foggy condition. Yun yung...
So, pag umuulan or nighttime,
Mhm.
rainy conditions, you need a yellow lens. So, you change it to this.
Okay. This one, it's a
Normal.
little bit... Ito more on...
Normal.
For no.
Normal use.
Walang change in...
So, apparently, one of the lenses, I'm not sure kung yun. Pag under the sun ka na, transition lens siya. So, it gets a little bit
Kaya
darker.
nga eh. Ito. Can we say that? Can we
No,
say
ito
everything?
shades lang talaga to.
Ito yata yung...
Ito yung normal dark lens. Ito pag umuulan or, nighttime.
Pag foggy, ganun din ba? Hindi,
Ah,
wala naman.
No naman. Better pag pag
Pag maulan!
umuulan, saka nighttime.
Kaya yung ox lights natin, ganito
Yellow.
yung color.
Diba?
Okay.
Tapos, ito when you're normal use, but when you're under the sun, mas bagay sa akin. When you're under the sun, it gets a little bit darker.
Oh,
Transition.
glass. Ang ganda. Bagay siya for girls, sakto lang for boys.
Pwede, for men.
Pero ang ganda niya, you don't necessarily have to wear the helmet when you use these glasses.
Pwede rin cap.
Pwede na siya dito sa outfit ko.
Outfits.
So wait, where can they buy this?
Well, it is gonna be, of course, available through WWR very, very soon.
So watch out, hintayin nyo kasi we're gonna bring this to the Philippines. Medyo limited lang yung number of boxes that we'll bring. So you know what to do.